Gonna do a quick video on how to replace these old these window cranks and these casement windows. This one right here, it's like something snap ring or something like broke out of there. When I open it, it opens, but when it just winds right out. Try to open it. There's a couple different videos on how to fix that. I couldn't get them to work, so I just bought some new ones. And they're pretty easy to change out. First thing I did is I got to get this piece off right here. I got a pair of dikes. There were some nails through here. Cut them off, and this was able to pop right out, cover. This one had 4 screws in it right here. I already took the other 2 out. There's a little piece right here that holds that on. Snap that back, pop that arm off. Piece comes right out. There's this little track on the bottom this wheel goes in. Put that in there, put that back like that. Snap that back up there, keep it from popping off. Line your holes back up. Put your screws back in. It's that simple. You can buy these on Amazon. That's where I got these ones at. There is a difference between left hand and right hand, so if you do, make sure you get the right ones. They're about 45 bucks a piece, but it makes the window go so much easier. So if you like that, hit the like button. If I was able to help, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Thanks.